guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dewy and today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me. I'm just going to do like wherever my heart is calling me, and let's see what makeup I pick. I'm going to start off by putting my hair back. I haven't put on any skincare. I just washed my face. I use the CeraVe Acne Face Wash or Acne Prevention. I'm not even sure what it's called. I'll put it on the screen here. I used this rose water facial toner from Trader Joe's, and then I used the niacinamide acid from The Ordinary. I'm using some Aquaphor under my eyes, and I'm gonna put some on my lips. I know I'm about to put on makeup on my face, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit of moisturizer just to see, because I want like a really dewy, cute makeup. Now that I've applied a little bit of moisturizer, and I use the Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Renewal Cream, I'm gonna go in with this Melon Melt. It's like a hydrating face primer. This is from Grwm. It smells like the watermelon lip smacker. Now I'm gonna go in with my Grwm. This is the Birthday Skin Primer. A little bit here on my cheeks, around my nose, upper lip, chin, forehead. I'm loving the dewy base that I have right now, and I'm so excited to put on makeup. Let me shake this really good because I haven't used it in like a few weeks. Love this product so much, and I'm so surprised I haven't made a lot of videos about it. I don't think I've made any video about it. This is going to be the Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. This is an anti-redness cream. This is green, and I'm putting it on my skin. Oh. I like making little tears. I don't know why. Looks cool. You really don't need to use a beauty blender for this, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. I'll do half of my face with the beauty blender. Just took all the product. I don't think this is meant to be used with the beauty blender, if I'm being honest. Like, where did all the product go? Now when I do it over here, I feel like it's like it changes based on the warmth. And it looks like it's gonna be a pretty intense color or like too orange. But when I spread it out, it looks way different. Why does this look so much different than this? What is happening? Okay. I feel like it has something to do with the warmth. I've actually never tested this with a beauty blender. That is insane. Because on this side it got pretty dark, and it looked super light over here. So I believe it has something to do with like the warmth on your skin or something. Anyways, I still love this product. I'm gonna put a little bit more over here. I'm gonna use my hands to rub it in. So I like this because I do have redness in my skin. I feel like I have a red undertone or like a pink undertone. I feel like my skin looks pretty flawless when I use this. Next, I'm gonna go in with the 16-Hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. So I'm gonna put this right here in these areas. Wow. I'm gonna go in with this Insta Ready She Glam face and under eye setting powder. I'm using this pressed powder, and with the part of the beauty blender that is wet, I'm pressing it under. I only applied the powder on the places where I put concealer. I'm doing a contour bronzer situation. I'm gonna go a little bit heavy with the contour because my face is so white right now. I'm using a little bit of a She Glam foundation right on top of this. I'm gonna set that with one of these eyeshadows that I have. I'm putting a little bit up here because it looks really good on video and in photos. I don't know why, it just livens up the skin a bit. I'm going to do a little bit of baking. I'm going to put this right under my eyes, which I should have done earlier because I see it creasing a little bit. And then a little bit here. Right in between the two contours. I'm going to use this She Glam contour stick. I'm gonna draw a circle kind of like at the end of my nose. It does not have to be perfect, like that's not perfect. And then run it up my nose. I'm going to use this brush here. Then I'm gonna go in with the other side of the contour stick and just highlight my nose. A little bit of concealer on my lid, some eyeshadow back into this little palette here, which is also from She Glam, and I'm gonna go across my lid and focus a little bit more on the outer corner. gonna do some eyeliner. Finally wipe off all this bake. I'm going to put a little bit of this color on my lash line. I'm using 2 products from Grwm, and then I'm going to add on another product. So this is just like a liquid highlight. Wow, that is so pretty. My nose too. I'm gonna go in with this. It's in the same color as that highlight I just used. It's like a frost, I believe. And I'm going to put this all in these locations. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is the Too Faced, I forgot what it's called, but it smells like peaches. And it has like pink iridescent glitter in it. It's so pretty. Literally just dabbing it all over my cheeks. Wow, what a glow. This has officially turned into a glowy makeup look. Is so pretty. I have the perfect eyeshadow shade that will complement this. I'm gonna go in with my pinky, and this little pink shade here has some shimmer in it. I'm gonna put it in the center. Alright, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. No eyelashes came out in the curling of that process. Just like separate the eyelashes. But last is going to be the lips. Ooh, this is so sharp. I forgot that I sharpened it. This color is pretty close to my lip color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my under, like right here in the center. And then I'm going to define the top as well. I'm gonna make a smile in my bottom lip. So instead of going to the corners, I'm gonna go up a little bit. Like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna end right about here. So I'm not gonna go into the corners. Okay, there we go. Super cute. Last step is going to be lip gloss, and this is the Glow Reviver Lip Oil by e.l.f. Even though I put on all of that product and all those moisturizers, I definitely see this lasting throughout the night. Usually I already have oil coming through my forehead, but I would not say the same about this. It's looking beautiful. Definitely would recommend this. Please leave me a comment letting me know what you think, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Bye guys.